In this video, I want to talk about how to set up camera views. So right now we're just in 3D in Revit. And if you hold shift, you can pan around. But if you're trying to set up something for, let's say, a rendering, and you want kind of a better view, you can actually save your 3D views. So if you go to the 3D house button, there's a little drop arrow. If you click that, you can do a walkthrough, which is almost like a tour walkthrough. But today I want to talk about the camera option. So if you click camera, the little camera icon comes up over your mouse, and you can move this to where you want it. It's kind of hard to tell though from the single. So you would click somewhere where you think might work, and this is kind of where the camera is going to be pointing to. So we want to point it towards the house. And then this box will come up. So you can actually move this, you can stretch it if you want to. And to get the menu up, there's this little sidebar that pops up. If you click down, full navigation wheel, it pops up. So you can pan, which is typical for your normal panning features. Orbit, you can orbit the house. And this is to get a view that you'd like to render, to show clients, to save what you're drawing. And so if you click, then when you move it, it goes away, but you can still pivot. Same with the zoom. If you click the zoom and you push up, it'll zoom in. If you pull down, it'll zoom out. And let's say you get to where you want, but let's say you want it right here, but it's chopping off your house. So on your wheel, there's a little down arrow, drop arrow. If you click the drop arrow, there's a lot of different options in here that you can work with. One of the most important ones that I use often is actually the move crop boundary. And that allows you to move this and center it. And then you can bring your wheel back and just tweak it if you want. And that allows you to, once you get it to where you want, you can exit out of that and go down. And this is saved right now as 3D View 3 in the tab, and that shows up in your project browser in the 3D views. You can rename these to whatever you want, but the views that you create will stay here. So let's say you're at your first plan and you edit something, or you edit something on the exterior later, you can always come back to your 3D view and it will show up the same way that you saved it. And that's how you do 3D camera views.